I remember, Anand, you and I had both talked about last year when we were working in our previous organizations. Nobody sort of focused this in the country that both Augusta Westland, which was supposed to supply VVIP helicopters during the Congress era of 2004 to 2014, and Dassault, both of them allegedly tried to use middlemen in India to pay the bribe to several Indian officials. This is the first time that this big revelation is coming, because CBI in the charge sheet has alleged that Dassault routed its kickbacks worth rupees. This is the first time that we are revealing that the papers in our hand reveal that the bribe was to the tune of 100 crore, apart from what was being given, 165 crore, the kickbacks in Augusta Westland. Even in Dassault case, when the company entered into an agreement with the Indian firms to generate the software bills, Dassault tried to route the bribery and the kickback through IDS Infotech, a Chandigarh-based company. It entered into an agreement with a Chandigarh-based company. You'll be surprised to know the fact is that in its witness statement before the CBI, one of the witnesses has shared that he was introduced to a middleman who was close to the then family of coal minister of state Santosh Bagrodia, his brother Satish Bagrodia. That was how the kickback started and the contract began. Am I right, Anand?
Yeah, in his statement he clearly mentioned that one of the alleged middlemen, that's Sushen Mohan Gupta, was known to Bagodia's family members.
This stage, viewers of New Indian must also know that I want to congratulate Anand for having read all those documents which are mentioned in the part of the charge sheet. It runs into 12,000 pages, which is very enormous in terms of the number of pages. The documents which clearly mention in my hand, as you can see, they reveal how two companies were used to divert these kickbacks. One, I believe, Anand, is based out of Mauritius, and the other one was based out of Singapore. Both signed contract on behalf of Dassault and transferred these kickbacks.
One of the witness who worked with O.P. Khaitan and company, the law firm of O.P. Gautam Khaitan, he clearly mentioned that Sushen Mohan Gupta was also handling the affairs of Interstellar, that's the Mauritius-based company.
Right.
And even one of the staff of IDS that was Chandigarh-based, he also mentioned that Sushen Mohan Gupta played an important role. And Sushen Mohan Gupta, his family has been into the business of defense deals, and he still owns one of the companies, that's Indian Avitronics. So it's still in functioning, and they are still providing the defense solutions to the several clients across the globe.